All right, we're back here at the runner propagation bench. You can see we've got these beautiful looking runners. They've got some really nice roots popping out, these peg roots. We're gonna put them close to water. When it's humid around the outside of this root, the root starts growing even more and you get this really nice white fibrous root, and that's what we want to transplant. So to do that, we've developed a method where we take these runners, and you see we've got these holes in this deep water culture. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our GrowGrip here. These are reusable foam grips. We're going to place it on the outside of this runner just so that the roots are coming out. Get our tag it, and stick it inside of this deep water culture so that it's close to the water surface. And when it's close to that water surface, it's humid enough that the runner's gonna keep growing. This one's a little young, we're gonna let that stay. We've got a whole jumble of them that we can work with, so we're not worried. You wanna spread them out a little bit. The only downside of this system is that it is prone to powdery mildew, which is always present in cultivated strawberries. So we spray Raid and MilStop, which are beneficials. They help reduce powdery mildew in this type of system. So again, you can see we're putting the roots right close to the water and then sticking them in here with the GrowGrip. These GrowGrips are 2 inches, and you can see some of these plants, they're really growing. Look at that. That's a cool root. So we put this in the system, and it's gonna keep growing even more. Now it's important in here not to have any kind of stagnant water. So we're gonna have some air stones, and that's going to aerate this system and allow the roots to get the dissolved oxygen that they need. These are crazy. You can see they're all from this one variety, Cabrillo. The Albion, which is pink, they don't produce nearly as many runners, but they do produce very delicious berries, so they're preferred by growers. I think that's a wrap. It's all about placement. You can adjust these. That's one of the great things about the GrowGrips. You can adjust, move it a little bit deeper, a little bit higher. We're trying to reduce crown rot though, and crown rot sets in when the crown of the plant, where the leaves and the roots come out of, when that thing starts to get wet and stays wet. So this method helps keep the roots just far enough out of the water that it's humid and they can keep growing, but not too in the water that they start to rot and become anaerobic and grow crown rot. Thank you.